Why security matters in virtual whiteboards.
Virtual whiteboards are powerful tools for brainstorming and collaboration, but they can expose sensitive information if not properly secured. Unauthorized access, data leaks, and privacy breaches are real risks. Understanding how to protect your sessions helps keep your ideas and discussions safe from prying eyes or accidental sharing.
Choosing a secure virtual whiteboard platform.
Select a platform with strong security features like end-to-end encryption, robust authentication options, and regular security updates. Review the platform's privacy policy to understand how your data is stored and shared. Popular platforms often include security certifications, which can give extra confidence in their protection measures.
Controlling access. Who can join?
Always use password protection or invite-only links to restrict access to your whiteboard sessions. Enable waiting rooms or guest approval features when possible. Limit editing rights to trusted participants and assign view-only roles to others. Regularly review and update participant lists to avoid lingering access after meetings end.
Managing content and sharing safely.
Be cautious about what you share during a session, avoiding sensitive or personal information when possible. Before sharing whiteboard content externally, double-check for confidential data. Use built-in export and sharing features, as they often have added security instead of downloading and emailing files manually.
Maintaining privacy during and after meetings.
Mute microphones and turn off cameras when not needed to reduce unintended data capture. Log out and close sessions promptly after your meeting, and delete unused whiteboards regularly. Keeping your device's software and your app up to date helps protect against new security vulnerabilities and privacy threats.